just random, but the Boeing 737 Air Force One is nearby. Over here, I don't know where it is though. 28 I can't see him. I'm looking in the air right now. I can't see him. I'm seeing in every direction. I might not see him, but at least I have a try. If I don't see him, I probably won't. There it is! There it is! Have I got that on camera? There you are. It's over there, area. I know, it's hard to see. I can't see where There it is! Boys and girls, we have just found Air Force One. I can see it. Wow, guys. Any more updates with the real Air Force One? Obviously, you know, I will be posting it. And for that, I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Now, as always, good night.